Switch to private profile on Threads. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to switch to or turn on private profile. First thing, go to Threads and click on this icon to go to this page. Then you can click here on edit profile and you will find private profile, which is the last option. All you need to do is tap on it, turn it on and click on done here. And this is it. It will switch to private profile so no one on or off Threads can see or interact with your content. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.